Okay, Merhaba. I am Haseda of MEISEI ELECTRIC. I introduce earthquake disaster management by seismic intensity prompt information, SHINDO. We are using SHINDO as intensity scale in Japan, as you know. It's important to know the seismic intensity SHINDO because damage can be estimated by SHINDO. SHINDO is effective, essential to decide emergency operation, the rescue operation in earthquake. We developed the seismic intensity meter with Japan Meteorology Agency. Our intensity meter has experienced several huge earthquakes, so it is more reliable under such experiences. We have many installed records. Around 2,000 sets are installed in Japan. We have #1 share for seismic intensity meters. We also exporting our product to other countries. The seismic intensity scale can be modified according to each country's situation. We are also manufacturing a disaster prevention mitigation product and system like surface weather observation system and water level measurement system and so on. We offer one-stop solution for product system integration for meteorology, seismology, hydrology with 8 years background. Please access to our website for details and send an email to me if you have any questions. My speech is the last one. Thank you so much for listening. We wish happy New Year without COVID-19. Teseku.
Thank you very much. Thank you.